Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 very easy Korean words. So let's start. The first Korean word that is for ball is kung. Kung. Okay? Next is the Korean word for letter, and that is pyeonji. Pyeonji. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for name, that is irim. Irim. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for bag, and that is kabang. Kabang. Okay, now this kabang refers to a bag or a backpack or any kind of bag that you take outside whenever you go outside. That is kabang, like a purse or a backpack. Okay? Okay, now the next one is the Korean word for singer. Now if you are a K-pop fan, you should know what's a singer called in Korean language, and that is 가수. 가수. Okay, now the Korean word for puppy is 강아지. 강아지. We already know the Korean word for dog, and that is 개. And the Korean word for puppy is 강아지. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for restaurant, and that is 식당. 식당. Okay? Next is the Korean word for doctor, and that is 의사. 의사. We know that this is a diphthong, 의. Okay? So the Korean word for doctor is 의사. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for park, and that is 공원. 공원. We have already seen the word for ball is 공. So it's easy to remember. The Korean word for park is 공원. Okay? Next is the last one, and that is the Korean word for actor. Now if you are a K-drama fan, you should know what's an actor called in Korean language, and that is 배우. 배우. Okay? So today we learned 10 very easy Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.